The 2013 Volvo Concept Coupe. Shocking news this morning from Volvo. The 2013 Concept Coupe has looks to make a Camaro and M6 weep with envy, 400 horsepower via a plug-in, all-wheel drive chassis, and gorgeous LEDs inside and out. The Volvo cargo trucks will be loaded to the brim on the way to Frankfurt, as this is also the debut of the not-yet-seen XC90 replacement. If the Concept Coupe's intricate and taut surfacing, stunning proportions and cool new Maserati-style inverted grille make it to the XC90, Volvo's American showrooms have quite the sharp new 7-passenger crossover on its way. The VCC's styling is really fantastic. It is great news for all fans of Swedish cars, with beauty as deep and marvelous as the Roman statues of the press photos. It shows a number of important steps in one single image, and gives Volvo's semi-independent new company identity a goal at which to strive in the mainstream S60 segment, where the current model is lost in obscurity. A feast of details about the VCC's styling floods over you like the wave of relief, with a roof pillar layout that is almost as racy as the Nissan 350Z. A new portrait-style navigation system shows Volvo admires the Tesla Model S overflowing with good looks outside. The VCC is also quite potent underneath. An all-new 2.0-liter engine up front is paired with a plug-in battery pack and a rear-axle electric motor. Supercharged as well as turbocharged, the combined power outputs are 400 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. Come see the future of Volvo after the jump, with a giant image gallery of the 2013 Volvo Concept Coupe in all its glory. Exterior. The styling is completely fresh and pure, even versus the relatively new V40 compact wagon that is not imported to America. Comparisons with other tough and macho coupes are almost inevitable, because it looks so much better than the opposition. The biggest thing really setting this Volvo Concept Coupe apart from the next-gen Maserati Gran Turismo Coupe's potential awesomeness is a uniquely tall grille and hood intersection, versus the slinkier noses preferred by the Trident brand. Even this aspect creates some unique tension in the hood line, and especially the bluff and chiseled vertical grille face. New bumper detailing is quite smooth, geometric and tasteful, which is refreshing after years of odd melted shapes in the plastic bumper corners. The final treat are slim and raked-back rectangular headlights with incredible LED and crystal lighting technology. Even more important to luxury shoppers, the new LED lights look hot and instantly make the VCC seem worth more like $85,000 versus the previous $45,000 max for the unloved Volvo C70 Cabrio. Just looking at the 2013 C70 gives us the creeps, with its giant melted lights and 1990s shoulder line. Dramatic improvement in the VCC to be sure. Similarly unique and taut body lines draw the eye rearward to what is a pretty vertical windshield element and extremely raked rear fenders. Not even the old Volvo Coupe by Bertoni gets close to this level of elegance, presumably due to obsession with elk testing. Out back, the lovely roofline plunges down just aft of the front seats, with still a blocky and tastefully revamped trunk signature outline. The huge inverted LED lights are a final treat before this sports coupe hums off down the road. Interior. Stunning technology is shown with crystal accents on the shifter, chunky knobs and alloy brightwork all around. Even better news is the large portrait-oriented navigation and infotainment unit, long a sore spot since Ford's parts supply agreement originally froze Volvo's infotainment technology in 2007 for a few years. Overall, this concept looks amazing. A few of these interior photos seem like they are from a possible future convertible variant, but actually they are just the styling and tech usability bucks without any windshield or even wheels. Drivetrain, engine and brakes. A plug-in power unit packs rear-mounted Li-ion batteries and a dedicated rear-axle electric drive. The front wheels are motivated by a 2.0-liter turbo and supercharged, yes, both. 4-cylinder, part of the same heavily modified next-gen Evoque engine that traces its roots to Ford. The twin-charger is new from Volvo, and sounds exciting even after VW's experiment with a smaller 1.4-liter setup proved unprofitable versus simply a larger turbo. The 400 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of combined power output are amazing, and should give this VCC a projected 60 mph sprint time of around 5 seconds before ultimately hitting a projected 171 mph top speed. The Sweden to Frankfurt Exec Coupe route just got a lot quicker. 2013 Volvo Concept Coupe mechanical details. Conclusion. What's good for Volvo is good for Sweden, and actually, all car lovers. The VCC bodes well for a very hot restyle and update of the Clarkson-approved XC90. Love it. Gorgeous, shows great future vision and tasteful new face. Finally looks like Volvo is out of its decision paralysis death spiral. Leave it just a concept for now, but next S60 will aim for this level of beauty.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.